What's up, guys? Austin from Billetworkz here. Today I'm going to compare the throw distance for 4 shifters currently on the market for the BRZ and 86 platform. This will include the stock shifter, the STI shifter, the IRP shifter, and of course your Billetworkz Short Shifter. So let's get into it. Now this is the stock shifter here. Third gear starts at about 4 inches. Fourth gear goes to just over 7 inches. We're at 4 inches to 7 1/8, so that's about 3 1/8 inches of throw. So here I have the STI shifter from Subaru. Third gear, we're at about 4 1/8. Fourth gear, we're about 6 7/8. So that's about 2 3/4 inches of throw. So here I have some pictures of an IRP shifter installed. The picture on the left is in third gear. Now focusing on the top of the red cap, it shows about 3 15/16 inches. On the right, the car is currently in fourth gear, and that measures about 6 1/4 inches. So 6 1/4 minus 3 15/16 gives us about 2 5/16. So here we have our Billetworkz Short Shifter. I'm going to put it in third gear. We're at about 4 1/8. Go to fourth gear. We're at about 6 3/8. So about 2.25 inches. So 6 3/8 to a little over 4 1/8. So we're probably a little under 2 1/4 inches. So as you can see, compared to the stock shifter, the factory STI short throw shortens by about 12%, the IRP shifter about 25%, and the Billetworkz Short Shifter about 30%. So now you can head to our website, shop our multiple reverse lockout color options, and choose any shift knob on our website that will function with the Billetworkz short throw. If you have any questions, shoot us an email and we'll be glad to help you out. We'll see you next time.